We're moving to a bigger office in March. What marketing opportunities should we capitalize on before, during, and after the move? So I think the first thing in answering that question is to come up with a bit of a checklist of what you need. I thought I'd focus on the marketing touch points, so not like the official company registers and so forth. First thing I'd be looking at is your Google My Business profile. Update that to the new address. That's such a simple thing that people forget. I've been on the receiving end of this where I've had to type in a law firm's office into an Uber and it takes you to their old address. So I wouldn't be the only one that has suffered that. So make sure you get your Google profile updated. You've got your email signature, you've got invoices, website, business card, social media profiles and email marketing template would be to wrap up that list. In terms of capitalizing on an office move as a marketing opportunity, I think it comes down to considering like the context of the move. Like, is it because you're growing, or is it because of a merger, or is it just simply that your lease is up and you need to move? And I think that's going to like frame how you do everything. So you could do an event for an office move. I think they're becoming fewer and far between for that type of thing. For an office move, I think people are less likely to come in just for, we've got a new office. So if you paired it with something like a milestone, say promotions or an anniversary, those things might be a good enough reason to have an office move event. You could also post it on social media. If your office is really nice, you might do like a video walkthrough of the office. You could do an email campaign. I think an email campaign for an office move is a really good excuse just to get in front of people and keep it nice and short and send that from the relationship partner rather than sending it from the firm. Really the goal of sending out the email campaign is just hopefully get a reply from someone, which I think you're more likely to do when it's coming from an individual. Second last, I would focus on signage. So your lobby signage needs to be updated, the reception signage. So if you're in a suburban area, this person's in Sydney, but this would apply to anyone in a capital city. If you're in a suburban area or a regional area, I'd be looking at like the outdoor signage, so the signage on the building. It's never going to win you any work, but might help when someone makes a referral. They'll recall that name if it's in the local area. And lastly, I think another idea just to help boost team morale as part of a move is you could have like a competition for like naming the boardroom and the meeting room. So some ideas would be like location landmarks, like rivers or street names of the local area, or it could be names of noteworthy judges in the practice area. So there's just some ideas. I hope that helps.